testicular me.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the background of any image using Photoshop. First of all, select the pictures that you need to change the backgrounds. Select around the object that you need to remove from the picture using polygonal lasso tool. After the selecting of object, you can press Ctrl+X to remove object from the image. The next step is you need to open other background image and paste that removed image on this image by using Ctrl+V. Final step is you need to arrange your image as you wish. You can adjust your color balance suitable manner. Thanks for watching this video. Stay with us for more tutorials and videos. Subscribe our channel How To.